From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here's our latest named storm. This is Tropical Storm Oscar. It was a hurricane over the weekend. Has been impacting the eastern part of Cuba. It's going to bring some rain over towards the Bahamas and then gradually move towards the north and east and eventually lose its tropical characteristics. That was the 15th named storm, our 10th hurricane. As we mentioned, it was a hurricane. It was only a Category 1 storm, but still our 10th hurricane of the season. Ragweed and grass is still causing some of us some pollen or at least some seasonal allergy issues at this point. So if you are suffering, possibly the ragweed and or grasses. 89 degrees, the record high, record low is 29. Record rainfall was set in 1985. We certainly could use some rainfall. Haven't had any measurable rain since September 27th, at least at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. Few clouds possible early Tuesday as some slight moisture tries to move into parts of the area. Maybe a small chance for a stray shower along the coastal region. Some of that could sneak into the extreme eastern part of the Midlands, but we're not expecting any kind of real organized rainfall over the next 7 days. So it's going to remain very dry. Here's the European forecast model showing dry conditions. American model showing basically the same thing. Maybe a few more clouds on Sunday, at least according to the American model, as some cooler air moves into the picture. Here's the rainfall forecast from the Weather Prediction Center, just showing isolated amounts. I mean, basically, you're talking about trace amounts for parts of the low country. Yesterday, we did manage to make it to 77 degrees. That's above average. Today will be a little bit warmer, and we just mentioned this, no rain so far for the month of October at the Columbia Airport. Today we're looking for highs in the upper 70s, a little bit of a breeze out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clear and near normal tonight with lows in the mid to upper 40s and low 50s. Here's our 7-day forecast. A little change in the weather. Temperatures gradually increasing. Low 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Low to mid 80s on Saturday. Possibly a little bit cooler on Sunday, which that would be closer to normal. Myrtle Beach forecast looking good. It's going to remain dry, so if you do have plans to head to the beach, no issues. Charleston, same thing. A little bit cooler for the second half of your weekend, and maybe you're heading to the upstate of South Carolina. Will be cooler on Sunday with highs, looks like in the mid 60s, low 80s on Saturday. As we do look ahead, October 28th through November 3rd, 8 to 14 days out, warmer than normal conditions, and we do expect drier than normal conditions for at least parts of the Palmetto State, and then wetter than normal conditions, it looks like, for the extreme low country of South Carolina. Our colors continue to change, although a little bit slow. We have low color conditions as far as those leaves are concerned as of now. And as we do look ahead, Halloween's only 10 days away. Election Day is 2 weeks from tomorrow. Veterans Day, 3 weeks from today. And as always, you can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Monday.